Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another hair review for you all. So the company I will be working with today is Wiggins Hair. So the unit they sent over today for me to try out for you all is a 13x4 22-inch loose deep wave 200% density, you guys. So what I'm doing now is showing you guys everything that comes along with this unit.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the...
Alright y'all, so do you guys see the texture? Do you guys see the shine, luster, the body? Yaddy, okay. But you know, for real y'all, this hair is so soft. It is super full, y'all, and I am not getting any tangling, any shedding. Definitely had to do the fingers ran through test, okay? But no, y'all, look at the lace. You get your clips and you get an adjustable scrap as well, y'all. But I love this unit. It fitted my head just perfectly, you guys, and I did get a medium cap, like I told you guys. But anyway, I do love this hair, y'all. So freaking pretty.
Foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.
Okay guys, so I'm not sure if you guys noticed with all of the installs that I've been doing, but this wax stick has been my best friend when it comes to having a laid, sleek install, okay? Period. Okay guys, so I did end up going in with 3 layers of Ghost Bond glue. I will be wearing this unit for a couple of days, so the glue is optional. You can wear this unit glueless as well.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Alright, y'all, so what I'm doing is just cutting off my ear tabs. I'm also going in and removing my lace, cutting my lace off with my razor. And then I am going to go in and do some baby hairs, you guys. Nothing much, just, baby hairs here and there. And sideburns as well. But that's all I actually did to this unit. This unit did come pre-plucked. I'm pretty sure I told you guys that in the beginning, but it is pre-plucked, so yeah.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that good? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes.
So I had to hop in and let you guys know that this hair looks so good without baby hairs. So with any hair and hairstyle you do, baby hairs is optional.
So mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we hiding these feelings, going through changes. So mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Yeah, we
Alright guys, so this right here is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be sure to leave all of Wiggins' hair information in my description so you guys can be sure to check them out.